I was in desperate situation because I was in the process of discontinuing with the second lawyer I hired um, on this issue. So the second lawyer misrepresented himself to me, and he told me that the case would cost about 160,000 if we don't go to court. And the case started. I mean, we spent within we spent about 600,000 in the first 18 months, and I needed another lawyer. So I went to my CPA, and my CPA knew about Tom because he had a client Tom represented and won. And I called Tom. Tom was very, very, very nice. I mean, every time I called him, he answered me, and he accepted to help me out. And I was in a very, very desperate situation. They were very supportive, very, very supportive, and I appreciate that. They represented me from their heart. I can tell. I can tell the way they spoke, the way they spoke with me, the way they spoke with the judge and with the other party and my party. They were doing the work from their heart. That's the thing which stays in my mind. You know, money is material things, but when you see good people who feels to the client and how much this client had suffered and was treated not right, so they were the reason I got justice. I know God put Tom in my way to go to Tom, and they're still working with me to continue that process. And I really appreciate it. I mean, they made the best team during my trial. So I was happy with the judgment overall. So what I would like to tell your client is that there is good lawyers out there, and if they would like to work with someone who's really dependable, trustable, he feels for his client, he does work from his heart, I would recommend them, Tom. I mean, I consider them right now as my friends. You know, I miss the time I was sitting with them during trial, where we went for lunches every day. We drank coffee together at the lunches, and I learned so much from them when they talk. You know, you hear lawyers talk. They're honest. I know your listeners might think, "Oh, I'm just promoting them." No, no. I work with a bad lawyer. I know what bad lawyer is. And I recommend everybody, if they want good lawyers who really feel about their cases that they've been mistreated, to go to Tom. There's one new attorney is going to be coming, a lawyer, and she's going to be very good also. You know, and that's our the one she helped us. I'm sorry. The one she helped us. She was in law school, and you know, sometimes when I focus during this last 7 years, it put so much pressure on me. I forget to say right away what I have in mind. Bailey.
Okay.
So I appreciate Sean. I appreciate Sarah. I appreciate the whole team, Daniel. But in particular, I appreciate Bailey. Bailey is going to make a good lawyer, and Tom brought her to help. She does things from her heart. She was so happy. Sarah is the same. Sean is the same. They're all good people. Now I feel like good people always work with good people, because good people always find people like them to work with, you know, and because I've seen the bad side of the lawyers. I've seen it, and